Good morning. I hope everybody had a great weekend. It is Monday, April 13th today, and I am here to show you what you're going to be doing this week for STEAM class. Okay, so the first thing is no Zoom meeting this week because today is a professional development day for teachers. Um, and let's get started. So let me recap last week before I go into the details for this week. So last week you did the PBS design build project and you guys created some amazing things. So I'm going to give you the link to this slideshow and I want you all to click on India's project and watch her video. It is incredible. I will be using it for a example in years to come if she lets me. And then Jet did a really, really cool robot arm. It actually picks up things. So he got second place. And then you have to check out Eric's crane. It is massive. And I would love to see more about how it works, but his picture of it looked cool. Those were the three that impressed me the most. So those are our Amazon gift card winners of the week. I do want to give a shout out to a few other people though. Before I give it my other shout outs, I do want to congratulate Danny for winning the distance learning projects second week in a row. So the distance learning projects are a section on Google Classroom where I just post random projects and you can do them if you're bored. They are not required. So Danny completed 4 of them again. But I do want to give a shout out to Scott, Gio, and Taylor for all completing 1 of them. Thank you for participating in that. I'm constantly trying to find cool things for you guys to do and put them in there. So that way you don't ever have to be like, I was bored and I didn't have anything to do. Okay, so some shout outs. Here are, you see this notepad on the screen. These are my super messy notes that I was taking while I was watching all of your videos. So David did an interesting one. He did a calendar. I think he was the only one that did that. The shoe was one of the most popular ones. Gavin did the shoe. A couple others did the shoe. Zoe did a shoe. But they were all very different, so it was cool to see them. Sebastian, balloon car, very cool. Matthew did a boat. Max G did a boat that like powered through rubber bands. That was neat. Some other people, the pop-up card was really cute. Audia did that one, and Sebastian did that one. The zip line was a popular one because you only needed a string and a cup, and it was pretty cool. I know Jackson did the zip line, and Zachary, and Lucia, couple other people. Marshmallow launcher was a simple one. Just get like an empty paper towel roll and launch something out of it. But that was really cool. Ray did a really good job with it. Taman did a good job with that one. And Graydon did a good job. The paper table was cool. John and Scott, I liked your paper table. It actually held a lot of weight. I was impressed. Abby's shoes were cool. Oh, I liked Dylan's unpoppable balloon. It was like a magic trick. Loved it. Miro did a great cardboard rover. So thank you to everybody who submitted their project. They were awesome. I really enjoyed looking over all of them. Sorry I didn't get to mention everybody's names. Okay, so the biggest challenge that I noticed that we had from last week was how to take a picture from your phone or a video from your phone and get it onto the Google Classroom stream as a link. Now, the reason I'm having you do this, because when we were in class, a lot of times you did not have to do that. You would just click, turn it in, but now that we're doing distance learning, the reason I want you to put it on the stream is so that you can see what your classmates are doing. I still want you to feel connected to them. And if we were in class, you would see everybody's project. And that's one of the best parts about it. So that's why I have kind of made submitting on the stream our new mainstream way of submitting work. So that way you can see what everybody's doing and leave feedback on it and talk about it. So you still have something to talk about with your classmates. I have posted a video. If you can get the Google Drive app on your phone, that is the easiest way to get pictures, videos, everything from your phone onto your computer, because you download them to that app and then they're automatically in your Google Drive. So you can pull up any device and they'll be there. So here's a video on how to do that, where it says submit your build project on the stream. And then to turn it into a link, if you just go to your Google Drive and click on, let me go back to click on anything in your Google Drive, you can turn it into a link by just right-clicking it and click share, and then it will give you a link to share it. And you can, sorry, my computer, has anyone else's internet been running slow? Because I know everyone's on the internet. I tried to get up early and do this so my internet would run faster. So basically just in your Google Drive, right click anything and then click get shareable link. And that's the link that everybody was pasting. Get the shareable link. Okay, so that is taking way too long. So I'm going to keep moving on, but that's how you get the link. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is what to do for this week. So this week, oh, by the way, do you like my template here? Unicorns and rainbows. We needed something happy, and I got this from Slides Mania. I've been like downloading all these like fun slideshow templates. I love them. Okay, so what to do this week. Today is Monday, and you are going to challenge your brain. I want to see, some of you have been to those escape rooms and panic rooms, and I want to see if you can break out of a digital escape room. So you're going to click this link. It's called breakoutedu.com/fun-at-home. And they've opened up all these free ones. You normally have to pay for this stuff. And you can get your family, get your friends. I don't care who helps you out. I don't even care what grade level you choose. So there's K through 2. If you want to choose a kindergarten through second grade escape room, go for it. I've done these and they are still hard. They have 3rd through 5th. Maybe you want to try one of those. You can read about the topic and what you just choose anyone that's interesting to you. There's 6th through 8 if you want to stay on grade level. There's robot ones, there's math ones, camping, science, there's Newton's third law. Hey, we learned about that. Business. Oh yeah, that one's hard. And then there's even, if you really want to challenge yourself, maybe you have some high school siblings in the house, or maybe your parents have offered to help you, try the 9 through 12 ones. Zombie outbreak, show me the code. I did this one actually with my coding class. It was challenging, but we did it. So anyway, the haunted park. So you're going to choose any breakout room. When you do the breakout room, there's like 5 challenges, and each time you complete one, you unlock a lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, most of them have 5. So you put in the combination down here and it'll unlock the lock. When you get all 5 unlocked, it'll say you broke out. I want you to send me a screenshot of your screen, and your name will go into a drawing for an Amazon gift card if you finish a digital breakout room today. So please do that. Get entered to win and challenge your brain. Make it a fun family thing. Get your family to help you. If one's not going very well, I mean, I'm not saying give up, but maybe try a different one. Okay. So now for the rest of the week, Tuesday through Friday, we're starting our new unit, which is Unit 10, Google Applied Digital Skills. You guys know how important it is these days to know how to use Google. You have to know how to use Google. So I'm going to go down to Unit 8, Unit 9, and Unit 10. So this is a unit we would be in at this time of staying on track. There are a lot of projects in here. So I had to go through and choose my favorite and the ones that are going to be best for you to do right now on your own at home. So the one that I've chosen for this week is called the Create a Quiz in Google Forms assignment. So it's right here on Google Classroom, and also everything you need for this project is going to be in this slideshow and on this YouTube video. Okay, so you will probably make a lot of Google Forms in your life. Now, when I say Google Applied Digital Skills, I mean everything in the Google Suite. So when you click on this grid icon, the Google Apps icon, and you see Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides and Sites and Drive, this is all part of the Google Suite. And you need to be proficient in all of these programs. And you need to know, okay, my teacher wants me to make a list of all the students in the class with their grade point averages. That would be Sheets. My teacher wants me to type an essay. That would be a doc. My teacher wants me to make a presentation on a certain topic. That would be slides. So, all right. So we're going to do one, and we've done all of those. You guys were pretty good at them, actually. There's a lot more features that we haven't talked about, but one that we haven't really done at all this year is Google Forms. And so that's why I chose this one. These are great for making quizzes and surveys. I am really considering your next assignment. It's a spreadsheet assignment where you have to create a survey and then calculate your data in a spreadsheet and graph it. So doing this week's project is pretty important for also doing next week's project, because I'll expect you to know how to make a Google form after this week. So here's the link to the project. All of the videos that you need to watch, everything is right here. This is actually Google's curriculum for students your age, and it says create quiz in Google form, and it tells you it's about 45 to 90 minutes to complete this project. You click start. You don't have to sign in. If you want to, go for it, but you don't have to. So when we've done these before, so the first one is a video, and they're basically all just videos. It's going to show you exactly what to do and how to do it. So you need to watch the videos. Here are the 9 videos that you'll be watching. Intro to the project, how to do it, how to add more questions, how to assign point values, how to share your quiz. You will be sharing it with everybody. And then I'm gonna leave the reflection and the extensions as optional. Okay, so these last 2 optional, but you need to do all the rest. You need to watch the video and do what it says. Okay, so, and then email me if you get stuck and have questions. So that's your assignment for the week. That's slide 10. Use the link on slide 10. All right, so basically, you're creating a 10-question multiple choice quiz using Google Forms. You're going to choose any topic in the world that you are interested in. So then you're going to research your topic, and you're going to come up with 10 questions based on facts about that topic, not opinions. And then you're going to make each question 10 points each. So it's a quiz, 10-question quiz, 10 points each. The most you can get is 100. All right, so I want to show you a student example so you kind of can see what you're supposed to do. It's very important that when you're done, you paste the link to your Google Form quiz on the Google Stream where it says submit here, because I want everybody to take your quiz and tell us the score that they got on your quiz. Here's my student example from last year. I had a kid who loved cats. So they made their quiz all about cats. It's called The Average Cat. This is a 10-question quiz to build your skill of cats. What is the official cat of Maryland? Ooh, these are hard. So you'll just go through, you'll see they set them each at 10 points. And they have all 10. And then when you finish and you submit your answer, it'll show you your score and which ones you got right and wrong. So this was a good example. See how they even put cats at the top here on their theme? Great. Okay, and see how they used question marks? Don't do a question without a question mark, please. You know how I feel about that. Okay, so little recap. Monday, today you're doing the digital breakout room. Tuesday, you're going to start watching the videos on the quiz in Google Form. Wednesday, go ahead and create your 10 questions in Google Forms. Thursday, make sure you set your answer key for each question. And Friday, paste the link on the Google Stream and take other people's quizzes. That's kind of how to stay on if you need help with the time management. That's what you can do each day. Okay, so let me, even though you're going to see a lot of this in the videos, I just want to show you how much people actually, you're probably like, well, I'm not going to need to use Google Forms too much. I want to show you how many Google Forms. I just went to Google Forms, Googled it. Okay, I want to show you how many Google Forms, just owned by me, just made by me. Oh, here's the template gallery at the top. You'll probably choose the assessment one, or unless you want to choose the blank one, start from scratch. But here's all the Google Forms that I have created. So it is something people use a lot. You can use them for so many different things. Okay, so when you do your Google form, at the very top, you'll definitely want to write what it's about. I'm going to do mine, a quiz. I'm going to make one too. I actually started it earlier, but I didn't get very far. I'm going to make mine about Texas, the Texas quiz. See how knowledgeable people are about Texas. So if they have stuff in here that you don't want, don't just leave it there. You need to delete it. And then if you want to add more questions, you just click the add button and write your question right here, add your options. You can just keep clicking to add more options. And then make sure that you set your answer key. If you don't set an answer key down here, so you click answer key and you click which one is the right answer. And then you set how many points you want it to be. And then I always click required. Otherwise, they don't have to do it. So you'll learn all that in the videos though, just kind of showing you. Okay, so a few other things. The reason that I am choosing a lot of these assignments, I want them to be interactive. So that means I want you to be able to show your classmates something and them to be able to do something with your project. So that way we can still like play each other's games, take each other's quizzes, stuff like that. So that's why I'm choosing these. All right, and there's one more thing I added on here. If you do want to get better at the G Suite, click on this link right here, and they have all kinds of, you can actually get a G Suite certified, which I did this a few years ago. But basically you can test your knowledge, see how good at the G Suite you are. And a lot of employers, want you to be proficient and it will help you for high school to be proficient in Drive, Gmail, Hangouts, docs, sheets, slides. So you can do these little assignments and projects, and that will really teach you how to use all the features in these programs. Okay, so I think that is all for you today for this week. So I really miss you guys. Thank you so much for watching this long video. Sorry, I tend to ramble sometimes, but I miss having you in class, and I hope you're doing well. And we will continue with our regularly scheduled Zoom meetings next week. And please call me or email me, or we can video chat if you want to. There is a new feature in Google Classroom that they just turned on this week called the Google Hangouts Meet. And so I can basically give you a link and we can video chat on that link at any time to talk about your project. So we can try that out if you want. And I'll go ahead and email you guys this video and this slideshow right now. All right. Have a good week. Miss you guys.